a football. So here's our side dish that goes with the filadas. This is basically just red cabbage coleslaw, Mexican style, which is good because it's got some type of cilantro, lime, mayo mix that goes in it. I don't know, I was looking at the recipe, it sounds pretty good. So let's go ahead and get started. All we need to do is cut up our thingies. So we just gotta rinse our stuff as always, and then chop it up, and that's about it. And now we are ready to make the sauce, so let's go ahead and start mixing everything together. We start with our mayonnaise like always. So at this point, we just coat it and then we're done. So let me throw this into this bowl. This may be a bit much on the cabbage. And then just put this on top. And then kind of stir it all together. And with that, our cabbage is done. So at this point, we just need to let it sit and marinate for about an hour or so. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. And then from here, we will do our main dish. So I will see you all back on the other video. Whoosh.